Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading, your love reading, you versus them, and let's see what are the tarot messages for you for this relationship. All right, so let's see what are the universe messages for my Virgos and their partner. What is the message, please? Let's see. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, sorry, I just had dinner. I had rice. Okay, so let's see. So the energy between you and your partner, the Hermit and Nine of Swords. So it's that kind of loneliness when you are lonely, when you think about someone and you want to know like what was the situation like, when you want to know exactly the situation between both of you. Yeah, and that is the situation between this relationship as well. Okay, so one is actually feeling like from deep within that what happened, and the other is really thinking during nights as well, crying and missing someone. Okay, so this might be you, might be them, but you both are in a very similar position, I can see. Let's see. Okay, so very different energies, Virgo. Okay, so on your side, how you see them as the Ten of Wands. You see them as someone who is really busy in doing the daily work and who has different, you actually might have some kind of problems in your past. You might have even fought with each other in your past. So that is why, that is how you see them as. You see them as the person who is still thinking about those past things and who is still dealing with those past memories and who has a lot of a lot of heaviness, a lot of luggage. Not that luggage, it is more about that baggage, past baggages which a person is still carrying. So they might be carrying the same bad things about you, not about you, it might be about that fight, and they are still going through that thing. This is how you feel. How they see you as the King of Swords. So they see you as someone who is very intellectual and someone who is like, it's a no from my side, and someone who is really practical. Okay, they know that you will not come towards them, you will not go towards them, and you will not make any move right now. Who is more into, I have said what I actually wanted to say, and it's done from my side. Okay, so let's clarify these energies as well. Let's see why the Ten of Wands is here. Queen of Wands, okay, and Two of Pentacles. So you see them as someone who has the same feelings, okay, like the whatever the past problems were, but who is more into their work now. Okay, so they are more busy and they are more into their work and they're more into their business. Might be a businesswoman or businessman with whom you are dealing. They might be entrepreneurs, and they're working on their work and they're doing it really well. So they are really busy and they're working with stuff, because with the Two of Pentacles as well, they don't even have time. So you think that they don't even have time for you, and they might have even forgotten about you, because you don't feel, because there's no communication, you don't feel the same. When you think about them, but you feel that they don't think about you the same way, because there is no contact between you both. Let's see why the King of Swords is in this side. How they see you as King of Swords. Why, please? Six of Wands and Three of Pentacles. So this is how they see you as well. So they see you as a very successful person who is more focused in their success, who is more focused in their work. You might have some goals to achieve, you might have some accomplishments to do, and when you are more focused in your career, your success, and you don't even think about, so whatever was done, I said it and it's done from my side. So they also feel the same thing. I feel that, like, you both still miss each other because you both know your part of the story, and you are like that, you have said wrong things to them, they might have said it to you as well, and you both are done from each other's side. Okay, it's done, we are done. What's the blockage? The Hierophant. This might be a marriage, might be you, might be them. Somebody is married over here, might be a marriage is a blockage. That is why, because you both are, somebody really needs to end this marriage first, then to think about it, or you both are married with each other. Okay, so the Devil also came here. So this is a toxic marriage in which somebody might has, someone is involved in some kind of a bad marriage over here. Let's see, what do we have? Queen of Cups. So the blockage is the Hierophant with the Queen of Cups. So love is the problem over here. When you really start having feelings for someone, when you think about someone that I will marry this person, when you really, you start feeling and you start even imagining like how we will be together and everything will be so happy, we will be happy, our families will be happy. This is how you both are actually. This was a blockage. I mean, like, being happy is a blockage, really? What was the card? Where is it? Okay, never mind. Okay, so let's see what else. Okay, this is the card. Four of Pentacles is also here. Yeah, somebody is holding on to something. Somebody is holding on to some kind of beliefs, I'm feeling. When you are like, okay, I am not the one for you, I'm not this, somebody is really degrading yourself, oneself. Might be you or might be them, but somebody thinks that I'm not the perfect one for this person. This person needs someone better. So that is which is blocking you both. Your action, Two of Cups. You really want to take an action. You really want, because you feel that this is your soulmate and you want to send a message. You want that, some kind of love situation might start again, like somehow this person listens to what I want to talk to him somehow. Yeah, but it is like Wheel of Fortune. It's like, yes, something is really going to change over here. Let's see their part. The Devil, their action, Devil. Let's see what action are they going to take with the Devil over here. Why the Devil is here? Oh my god, Two of Cups in their side as well. So we got Two of Cups over here in your side as well as in their side. So they are really attracted towards you, Virgo. And they are like, oh my god, I really have this connection with this person and I really want some really, high term, long term relationship with this person. That is how they actually want it to happen, because they are really very connected or very attracted towards you. It's like an attraction which they are addicted towards, because the Two of Cups, it's like the soulmate energy over here. With the Nine of Cups, it's like you are the wish coming true for them, Virgos. They really love the way you are. They really want to be with you. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles in the final outcome energy. I really feel that there is a new relationship starting with you. So you both have enough time of being alone. With the Hermit, it's like, you both are not talking right now. It's been many months, and it's like you took your time, they have taken their time, and now you have analyzed enough, like what you both want, like what you want and what they want. So it's time to get back together. It's not me, it's the universe who is saying. Four of Swords. Okay, so it's like, you know, a lot of research has been done, a lot of investigation, not investigation, but it's like, yeah, the outcome is like with the Four of Swords, like you really come in my mind, you really come in my dreams as well. So if you really get each other's dreams, so it's really important. Okay, so please do notice the dreams as well, if they're coming in you or in them at night. Six of Cups. I just talked about dreams, didn't I? Okay, so it's like the past person's dreams. You know, you might be even having some kind of dreams with each other. So please do look about it, because the final outcome, I'm really getting really positive vibes with this connection, Virgos. And if this is the person with whom you're dealing with, is actually you both have the same feeling. Okay, you both attract each other, because universe has made you, you know, come together to each other, to separate and then to reunite again. All right, so that's all from my side, Virgos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.